My question is, what are your thoughts on the current direction of the American government, especially in light of recent global events? How should we, as AMDs, respond to the rising influence of ultra-right-wing nationalist and fascist ideologies, which are contributing to division and oppression? Jazakallah.
Nowadays, almost in every Western country, you would see this attitude of the public that they are against immigrants. They are right-wing people. But in America and Canada, they are multinational countries. So you cannot say only that Americans have their own identity and they are only white people living there. Quite a number of, even I've seen good majority of the people is from among Africans who came to Canada or to America, or they were brought there as a slave. So now that this new ideology is coming up, now this concept is mostly spreading all over the country, that we are nationalist. We cannot tolerate immigrants. You were not born there.
I was born in Pakistan.
So anytime they may take the mayor to just expel you from the country. So we should now work and tell the people that we are sincere citizens of the country. We love our country. Being an American, we want to serve the country. And with this concept, you are trying to create rift among the people of different ethnic groups, different nations. Now, since we have come to this country, we have been given the citizenship of this country, so politicians and those people who are right-wing activists, they should not disturb the peace of the country and absorb us as well in the country. And we are ready to serve the country. So try to let the people know the true concept of sincerity and love of the country. This is how you can do this. Alongside the teaching of Islam and Ahmediyya, you should also preach them and let them understand the true meaning of the love of the country. This is how you can at least reduce the severity of this concept, right?
Jazakallah.